Changing your payout method on Gumroad is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information easily. Step 1. Log into your Gumroad account. Visit the Gumroad website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account for which you want to change the payout method. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Access payout settings. In the settings menu, look for the payouts tab. Click on it to view your current payout method and other related options. Step 4. Update your payout method. Under the payout settings, you will see your current payout method listed. Click on the option to edit or change it, and follow the prompts to enter your new payment information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payout method. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Gumroad. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gumroad support for assistance.